project to increase mobilization of internally generated funds of municipal and district assemblies in the Upper West region has been launched at WA. It will enhance accountability and transparency in the utilization of the IGFs, which is one of the sources of revenue of the assemblies.
Inadequate resource allocation is a challenge confronting metropolitan, municipal and district assemblies in the country. This is as a result of inadequate funds from central government and development partners. Aside this, funds from the government come with conditions which sometimes limit the assemblies. One source of funding available to the assemblies is internally generated funds, which are obtained from levies, permits, taxes on businesses and private property. Many assemblies are unable to meet their targets because of ineffective modes of collection and leakages. To address this problem, Save Ghana, a civil society organization with support from Star Ghana and other organizations, have launched a 2-year project to enhance revenue mobilization. 6 municipal and district assemblies in the region will be beneficiaries. The director of Save Ghana, Mr. Duntie Tahiru Sule, said an application software to track inflow and outflow of internally generated funds will be introduced. The Deputy Upper West Regional Minister, Mr. Amidu Isahaku Chinia, said for effective decentralization, municipal and district assemblies should have control over the resources to be used for development. Recent reports suggest that the internally generated funds of most assemblies in the Upper West, that indeed across Ghana, are below 10% of the total funds that municipal and district assemblies receive in a year. A software developer, Mr. Gbela Aliu Wahab, said the effective use of the application will enable the public to monitor the cash flow.
The dashboard, you were allowed to create project intervention areas. So when the district receives amount of money, they can assign that, assign 30% of this money to an intervention area, which can be roads, which can be hospitals, which can even be advocacy.
Assemblies to benefit from the project are WA Municipal, WA East, WA West, Nandom, Sisala East and Sisala West.